Ready to assemble your glass tabletop with metal legs? Let's make sure everything stays in place with suction cups. To ensure your suction cups stick firmly to glass, follow these tips. Clean both surfaces thoroughly. Warm the cup with warm water or use a small amount of oil. Soften old suction cups with hot water. Lastly, avoid using in extreme cold or humidity. You can use either of these suction cups, both available online. Choose the one that suits your table and preference. Place each suction cup securely into the holes of the mounting plate on each corner of the metal legs. Tighten the screws on the suction cups to lock them in place and keep your glass top secure. You can also use double-sided suction cups for this mounting plate. Now, carefully lower the glass top onto the suction cups, aligning it perfectly with the legs. But wait, there's another method you can try. Another great option is using neoprene rubber sheet self-adhesive to attach your glass top. Simply cut the sheet to size, apply it to the top of the metal legs, and press down firmly. Carefully place the glass top onto the rubber sheet and press down for a secure hold. And that's it. Your glass top is now securely attached to the metal legs, ready for use.